books are the same now, work on them, you know. And that's why I come and inspect. I'm a bike man, right?
Look at him and the inspector.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to see pepper book? Yeah, but any not too fight that go ahead and
Good afternoon.
man, spell that.
What is that?
I don't want to cucumber.
Give me up. Give me up. You can't give me one cucumber to board and say.
You want to look
You know, cabbage. But, you know, I put that.
One you try okra.
The okra, I get okra.
Let's give it 12 bits.
Back at Baba's kitchen, and today we had some dumpling and some yam.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam with a little bit of starch, but something caught my eye right here. Talk about this.
This yellow yam have a whole of starch. More like water. See the color they not too red, too yellow.
Okay.
Right. When you see yellow, you have a lot of starch.
Starch, okay.
It's like that now. I'm not really the overfit one them. So this are the meat now. This are the pork.
No. Whoa. Is this the pork head?
Yeah man. So this are not really pork like it. So this is a better part of the pork. Of the meat. So you know nobody have to say, wow, you're eating the pork.
You prefer the head?
Yeah, better it's stronger. Stronger more than the ordinary pork. You know, so the head and the foot of the animal are the strongest part.
Yes, like the fish head.
Yeah, right.
So you're the one that. Alright, I think that's good.
Right. So you cut up a lot of pepper on that now.
I will.
So I want you to cut the pepper yourself.
Yes, sir.
See it now.
So now.
Pick up your knife.
Yeah, man.
Move this here.
This is the yellow one. Not this, right? That's not it. Yeah.
Right.
So this is the yellow pepper.
No, hold the eye over it. Cut it up on the meat, man. Make it drop on the meat itself.
I'm not gonna suffer if I touch myself. Doesn't touch my eyes with this.
Yeah, don't
Suffer.
don't make just hold your eye for it, because then pepper your body, you know. Because the very sensation it will come up in your face. No hacks.
Well, this is a treat me used to.
Yeah, just use two for the first and then you receive. No, but wait there. Wash your hand first, man. Wait. Get your water, wait. Come here, waste water.
I'm gonna wash it in trouble.
Yes, man. Because the least I look at that touch your face now.
So just wash it in that?
Yes, man. And then, kitchen base in them, man. See soap here? Yes, man. You have to soap up your hand and wash it off, man. I felt that cat bandit this, you know, man.
What?
Felt that cat bandit, they call him. Dangerous pepper.
And the big scotch manager, the look on them.
No, man, a scotch bandit. They have different brand of scotch bandit, you know. But they call him one the felt that scotch bandit.
That's a bad piece of machine. Yes.
Ready to go now.
And you still have the juice?
Yeah, man, juice in the fridge, man.
You still make them?
Yeah, man.
Well, Jamaican, another Baba retreat. I sleep, Baba cooks, and go to the farm. That's our agreement. I record him so the world can come to the retreat and have a real Jamaican vibration. Yeah, man. Plan your day accordingly, because tonight we're gonna have pork head with some caramel banana, caramel dumpling. What's one?
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam. That's not too fit.
Right.
So this is this.
Not 2 feet.
Jamaica can't record more. I have to get into it. So contact me at jatalkradio@gmail.com. So when you go into Jamaica, you want to link with Baba, you have to plan. This has to be a serious planning event. One of the major events into your life. You know, Master? Blessings, love.
How do we hear? Somebody said once you keep the chicken and freeze them in the you have it in a container. 2 years before you catch them here. But they have different. It's back.
Yeah.
They have one cheap one middle price one of the people that you see around the shop now, you see? When they go to buy the cheapest one. You know, them fees you know,
They're slave people.
yes. To buy the cheapest in that cheap box. And then the good one, the good one enough meat, you know.
Yeah.
But then now,
So if you're not local, you know.
So this is the movement of the snails.
by the night, and by the time they let them come feed off of them grass, yeah. Pick up food, and by the time you catch your man, when they are right out, they ain't gone back.
These are the snails. Look at them. They're all the head turned down at around 5:30, 6 o'clock. And they're coming down from the tree. They go up in the morning so the sun doesn't burn them on the ground. They're moving so slow you could never recognize that they're actually moving down. This is... Baba, your banana tree fell. Okay, so it's gonna keep on...
So the weight pulling down.
Yeah. So look at the snails. They're coming down. It's a race down, but you will never see the slow move, you know? Man, this could be a good gamble. You just paint them and put numbers on them. This could be a gamble. You paint them and put numbers on them. And then next morning, whatever snail reached down first. Snail, this is a real race, bro. And they are moving, you know. In their world, they're moving pretty fast. In their world, look at that. These are snails coming down the tree at a certain time. Oh, this is the pear tree. Right, and they love this particular tree. Could just because how the skin of the tree. They don't go on this tree right here. It's pretty rough, you know. And they come. Ah, look at them. They're also on the pimento tree. pimento tree, mostly on the pimento tree because it's a little bit smoother. So this is the snail time where the snails come out of the tree. I lived in the country for a while, but I didn't notice. Baba showed me one morning they were going up, and then he showed me when they're gonna come back down. That's crazy. That is crazy. That nature is so, in sync. They are stretched out and they are moving at lightning speed. They have a whole different time zone them living. A whole different world, Baba. A lightning speed that, That's what you call art. And them tentacles and everything out, Wow. This is the evening shower. Like you live in the Amazon. Baba, it's like you live in the Amazon, man. You live in the heart of the Amazon. Rainforest. Baba's pig. This is in the rainforest. Alright, snails. Banana just fell. Alright, pig and snails. See you guys later. This is coming up to my house. Look for. This is the mansion. Yes, sir. Made it today. You go bush?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How was it?
Before work,
Fun. Yum, right? Yum? Okay. Nice day at Randy's retreat with friends. It was a smoking day, a very relaxing. And that's where we're going to build a retreat, right over there. Everything takes time. I'm doing a little traveling and planning out the future. Yes, yes. But everything takes time. You can't rush things. I'm in the center of the Mecca of and this is Baba's house. He'll cook for you. And they'll bring it all the way up to the retreat. Hey, it's always a dream. Hold your horses. I'm planning things for you to make your life amazing. Relaxing, stress-free. You work in the city. A lot of noise, toxic. That mountain right up there, that's going to be your second home. It's going to cost you a bit though. And then you're going to smoke, drink mint tea, all the cleansing from my native answers. You'll wash yourself clean spiritually, you'll be alive again. They'll bring food to you, the finest coffee Jamaica can offer from the fields. Fresh organic food for you. And some of the best herbs from the West for your tasting. Life is going to be good. Membership has its privileges. You should be lucky. You're a member. Hey, Bob. Let's see if Baba is there. Yo, Bob. Oh, you there, bro? All right. Coming in from the wet. It's raining outside. It's getting better. So how are you doing? What did you eat there? Well, I see you. How you feel? How was today?
Good man.
You spent a long time?
Mm-hmm.
Craig it, try.
Colors. Sorry. On the end,
Magic is soup.
Yeah, we take to try magic soup.
Yes. Yeah, man, alright. Me have to get magic soup. This soup. You good?
Now when me record, you don't know some record. You couldn't do a video thing, I know that's it. Stop.
But me a Jamaican, that I eat. We? Me a Jamaican. You're not the Jamaican, you know, so you have to hide and do it. Yeah.
And we had a gate on his gate. That the enemy was not here and they called because people kept no idea. And I'm reporting, I can give you the next number of I don't know how many personally. I can't just pass on and it's not like I have a work line when I'm going around and talk to people and it's people. And they might say, okay, it's a line person, let me just do it.
Be able to see a jump up.
He's not going to report. Maybe report it. All I have to do is switch 100 and then what am I going to get the first? If they have product, it's from service.
Raspberry, pink, June plum,